Good morning. I am going to show you how to use the borderless option on your Epson ET-2850 printer. I'm going to pull up a digital that I have, just walking you through a little bit of the... So this is a digital I've made. I'm going to go up here and hit File and Print. So if you look right here, there is a border around this right now. And this is the Epson ET-2850 series. If you go down here to this paper size and click, here is where you find the borderless. So you have to go US letter and then go down and see it will show you borderless print. So one more time, see how the white is there where you'd print and it wouldn't be borderless? Go to paper size, click on the US letter and go down to the borderless, so it's going to come out to a third little window, if that makes sense. And you now have borderless printing. And if you go down here on these other sizes, it also has the 4x6 and the 4x6 borderless. So you have quite a few options. You just have to find it right there in that little spot that's hiding. But I hope this helps, and if you have any more questions, definitely leave me a message below and I will see what I can do to help you.